Hello, this is the National Weather Forecast for Tuesday, where we'll keep an eye on the weather for tomorrow, Wednesday. That'll be the 8th of July, and this is a record-setting high pressure area. Yesterday in Tasmania, we recorded the highest verified atmospheric pressure ever in the country at Ooze in the southern interior there, and this high is still firmly planted over Tasmania over the next 24 to 48 hours. That's going to extend an influence of settled conditions across the interior east and the south here. There's going to be a bit of rain across the east coast with south-southeasterly winds around New South Wales and Queensland, and you could see some rain over the interior as well. That'll be pretty patchy but could make for some muddy roads, and there's more high pressure influence out towards Western Australia, ensuring fairly settled conditions out that way. So the weather pattern is not changing swiftly. If it's been fine through the week so far, more than likely it will be fine again. That encompasses almost the entirety of the inland of Queensland, with maybe the exception around a shower or two building near Birdsville. Cold mornings, then fine days across the interior. There will be showers across the east coast. Once again, Brisbane looking sheltered, high of 22, pleasant day, dry day. Showers possible for the Gold Coast, Sunshine Coast, and most areas about and north of Mackay, but no heavy rain is in store. Brisk southerly winds along the New South Wales coast keep temperatures capped in the upper teens, but the feels-like temperature will be even lower thanks to that wind flow. We will also see passing showers from the Illawarra northwards, including through Sydney, and much like the past few days, that could deliver 2 to 10 millimetres of rain. A dry day over the interior of the state on the western side of the Great Dividing Range, cold morning and then a pleasant afternoon. Canberra starting off at 0 or even in the negatives, warming up to about 14. This morning was a strange mix of mist and drizzle around Melbourne. We'll call it mizzle, and that could be repeated again tomorrow with a near identical weather setup. That will really only be through the first couple of hours of the day. Any low cloud and mist and drizzle and fog will all clear away and become relatively bright across the state with a bit of passing cloud cover. Maximum temperatures between 12 and 14 degrees for most areas, but Mildura overachieving with a high of 17. A very calm day in Tasmania tomorrow, possibly a morning shower across the east coast, mostly north of Hobart. That'll dry up, and then from about 10 a.m. onwards, dry weather statewide. There will be some cloud around. The sun should come and make some appearances as well. Given it is July, we're struggling to get higher than about 13 degrees. There is some rain in SA tomorrow, mostly up around the northern pastoral districts, but perhaps some rain through parts of the Eyre Peninsula as well. From the York Peninsula around Maitland all the way across to the eastern border, it should be a dry day with a mixture of sunshine and cloud overhead. That includes for Adelaide with a high of 17. Some pretty chilly mornings around the lower southeast, could be 0 or even in the negatives for Mount Gambier, and then a bright day. Settled conditions throughout Western Australia for Wednesday. Dry almost everywhere, maybe a light shower or two around the southwest Capes and Bunbury, possibly down towards the south coast and Albany as well. Perth should be dry and sunny. Light northerly wind there keeps temperatures on the warm side of winter averages. 21 degrees for the high. We're also looking at 20s through the wheat belt, up to about 24 around Geraldton, and mid to upper 20s across the Pilbara and Gascoyne coast. And finally, Northern Australia, a little bit of rain pushing through the Southern Territory. That could lead to some showers, maybe even a thunderstorm around Alice Springs and Uluru tomorrow. And on the other side of the map, we will also see a little bit of rain onto the eastern top end around Arnhem Land, as well as the Gulf Coast. Darwin in between those two, dry, beautiful day up there once again, high of 32, and it's looking very pleasant along the northern WA coastline as well. And that's the summary for tomorrow, looking similar to today, and honestly, looking similar to Thursday. But you can get the latest on that weather forecast on the Bureau's website or app. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.